said you haven't had anything to drink or no drugs, prescription drugs or anything this morning? Okay, so
January 14th, 2025. A routine morning drive turns into a defining moment, not just for the driver, but for the two children strapped in the back seat. What we're about to witness raises a critical question. At what point does a bad morning become a criminal act?
Right there.
Okay, one more.
Come on.
Now I can start tomorrow morning.
what happened?
So, right
Turn off the wipers.
when I was pulling on...
Okay, grab your driver's license. Do you have a valid driver's license? What's that? What'd you give me? The driver's license? It's ID card. So what happened?
Okay, so
I can't hear you.
I was turning on to Rosewood Street because I live
Turn on to what?
Harvard 40, your number is going to
So
be
I always...
From where?
30630.
Close to behind that little sidewalk right there. I kind of started sliding in ice and like I was trying to control the car.
Okay.
And then it literally hit the stop.
Where at?
Right at that, I can take you there. Like it's right at the corner of. It's usually where the people cross, to help people cross the road.
The corner of what?
I don't know where the road's over here. But
I thought you, okay, what's in your hand?
40 from 12 just for 43. I'm out back.
Who's poop? Your kid's poop? Okay.
One more.
Do you have any?
No.
Don't do it.
Yeah.
10-4 for 43.
So
When you tried to
where
call
were
us in the first time,
where were you
they
heading
did
from?
it Dean Street,
Where
but we're
you-
still showing it Lake Shore.
Where were you heading from? Home?
Yeah.
And where were you going to?
Yeah.
Okay. So, why are you here now?
Because I went to take them across the road to the bus. Because that happened, we were a couple months late.
Okay.
Bus.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but what I'm saying is where?
It's it's over by the there's like a
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So why aren't they over there? Okay. So you're heading over.
I have my taxi now.
Okay. Are you on medications?
No.
Okay. Don't drink anything? Okay. So you don't have a problem. You haven't had anything to drink or drugs this morning? All right. Hold on one second.
Yeah.
All right.
It's your taxi.
Raquel? Okay. Can you step out of the car? Okay, you said you haven't had anything to drink or no drugs, prescription drugs or anything this morning?
No.
Okay, so you don't have a problem doing like a field sobriety test, right?
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, all right. Do you want to do it here, or how about we go to the police department? You wouldn't be under arrest right now, but go over to the police department where it's warm and dry. Because it's freezing.
Because I gotta get you to school.
Okay, but I need you to perform your best
I will.
on this.
It's fine.
You think you can perform it here?
Huh?
You said you think you can perform it here, or somewhere where, or we can go one of these other places where it's dry and warm inside. Well, it wouldn't be that long. It's a 2-minute difference.
We have to meet school by 8:20.
That's not going to happen either way.
Right, why don't you take her to the PD, do it now?
That's what I'm trying to, yeah. All right, we're going to go walk go to my car. We're going to go to the PD and do that while this officer waits with their kids. Can you get their info?
Should I go drop your kids off?
No. You're gonna. We're gonna go. It sounds like a better idea. You're gonna have to walk and stand. You're already shivering. You're already cold. Right, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So the better idea is to go over to the police department, right?
Okay.
Where it's dry and it's warm.
Okay.
All right.
Which police department?
No. You're gonna come with me. He'll stay here with them.
I'll steer with all this. I'll have
Yeah,
the
you leave your
police
car
officer
here.
Come out and grab the kids.
Yeah.
I'll wait with the car.
You'll leave the
okay?
car. Come on. No, they'll be fine. I can't hear you. Hold on one second. You what now? Oh, just leave it there. We'll grab it if need be. Camera 1124. 1059. 1J5. Route to PD. Fields. Story mileage 108533. 108533. I cannot hear you. You got to speak up. Okay. Okay. All right. Have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. You need to take your hands out of your pockets. With your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you have any problems standing on one leg? Okay. All right. You got to keep your hands out of your pockets for these tests. Okay.
2121.
What's been hurting you?
My
Achilles.
Okay.
Okay. Just the one leg? Leg you want.
Number 4
I'm
escape.
going to have you take your hands out of your pockets. Okay. You're going to have them at your side. You're going to lift one leg up 6 inches above the ground, toe pointed out, looking at your toe. I want to have you count out loud, like 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, until I tell you to stop. Okay?
We're going to have to hold
It's
that
important that you
lock
listen.
up.
So count out loud.
No problem.
If you put your foot down, pick it right back up and continue on. Okay? Hands at your side. Don't raise them any more than 6 inches from your side for balance. Looking at your foot, toe pointed out. Okay, do you understand everything?
Like this?
Yeah. Hands at your side, not in your pockets. Don't raise them from your side more than 6 inches.
Okay.
You're going to have you lift your foot, whatever you choose, toe pointed out, looking at your foot, counting out loud like I demonstrated.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? Okay, hold on one second. All right, that's enough. So that's enough. Yeah. Well, it's 30 seconds. You didn't count out loud either.
Oh,
Okay?
sorry.
So what I'm going to have you do is stand here with your, come over here. See this straight line?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot in front. Okay. Okay. Now on the line. Stay on the line. Don't start.
Sorry, that?
No. Other way. Left foot on the line. Okay. Right foot in front. Toe touching heel. Be on the line. There you go. So you got to have your toe. Don't start. I need you to stand there.
Okay.
The other way. Put your right foot in front of your left.
Right foot, left.
Yes. Okay. Stand there while I explain this to you. Okay.
Okay.
Again, hands at your side. Don't raise them any more than 6 inches for balance. Okay. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward. Make a series of small turns with the plane of the 9th step. You take the other foot, make a series of small turns. Take 9 heel-to-toe steps back towards your starting position. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate part of it for you. Okay? So, starting at your start position that you need to stay in. Okay? Stay in that position. You're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps, and then take your other foot and make a series of small steps like this, okay, around, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back touching heel to toe every time. Keeping your hands at your side. Do not start yet. Stay there until I'm done explaining. But in the position that I told you to. Okay? It's okay. So, hands at your side, 9 heel to toe steps forward. Make a series of small turns, 9 heel to toe steps back. Heels touching toe each step, hands at your side. Do you have any questions? You understand that? Okay. Where did you say that you hit the stop sign at?
It's right by Dean Street. When my sister just,
On Dean Street or near Dean Street?
it's right on like I can't be the side street. I have to look it up while I don't know.
Okay.
It's right like when you come from my house. There's I get confused with the streets. I know there. It was like literally like ice, and then it went. There's like that stop sign right at the corner.
Were you on Dean Street at the time?
No, I was on that side road that would take me from my house to Dean Street.
Okay. Okay. Is there anyone that you can call to come pick up your children? Do you have a husband or boyfriend that you live with, or where's the children's parent? Okay, so she's not here.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got to figure out some way to get them, because what did you have this?
Notice how the officer pauses before making the arrest. He's already watched her fail the HGN test, the one-leg stand, and the walk and turn. 3 standardized tests, 3 failures. Under the law, that's enough. But Raquel insists she's never been in trouble before. The question is, does intent matter when children are in the car?
Morning. Did you have alcohol? Did you have some sort of drugs?
I promise you, I was
Well, you're under the influence of something right now. You failed all the tests, you're going to be under arrest for DUI.
right now.
Yeah. That's why I was asking if there's somebody that you can get for your children.
How am I under? I don't understand. I've never been arrested in my life. Can I recheck the tape? Like I'm like,
You do what?
can I retest the sobriety test? Because I'm nervous. I've never been in a cop car before.
Okay. But I mean, just coming over here wasn't an issue. It was just so you're warm. Because, like I said, it'd be a lot harder to do that out there,
Right.
considering the conditions, than in here.
Yeah. Can I redo it again?
No, like I said, you're under arrest for the DUI.
A DUI?
Yeah.
But I don't have any alcohol or anything in my system.
Well, you failed all the tests.
How do I feel?
I can go over that later, but I'm not going to go into great detail right now with you about it. I just want to find a way to get your children to school.
Okay.
Who
Well,
can you call? Can you call somebody that's in town
I
that you'd like to
my
take
phone.
custody of your children? It's not going to be helpful.
I know. I'll be clear. I make calls. I have to make calls.
Okay.
I've never been arrested.
Henry, 1 Lane, 24, 43 up 83 J5.
I've never been arrested before.
All right. I'm going to have you walk this way. You need your phone? Can you bring her into the walking around? Sure. I'm not very done yet. You got your... I got to get my stuff and then...
3 field sobriety tests failed. 2 children left without a guardian. 1 arrest. But here's what the dashcam doesn't answer. What substance, if any, was confirmed in her system? Because DUI doesn't always mean alcohol, and that distinction, it will matter enormously in court.